Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the Wi-Fi password for your Thinkware Dashcam. And to do this you'll need to set up your dashcam inside the Thinkware app. Now let's click on the list right here, go for the Wi-Fi settings, and you can see the Thinkware name and the password. From default it should be set from 1 to 9, and now let's change it to something else because I think it needs about 8 keys anyway, so let's go for 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and here the same 8 times 1. Now select apply, and now it disconnects from your smartphone, and now you can find it again in available networks and connect to it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.